Hey everyone, this is Ugly Dumb One. I'm here today eating things. I got islands. I don't even remember what I ordered. Okay, I got a quesadilla with applesauce, milk. I got wings, and then I got this root beer float. So that's exciting. There's a lot of fucking food. They gave me giant packaging. Okay. Oh my god, like this is a lot of food. Okay, so basically, look at this. And then I have like my own off-brand microwave in case I want to heat it up. So I hope this is good. It looks, oh my god, this is way too much food. Whew, and it smells good. So basically what you do is, step number one. Okay, it's not closing. I'm just gonna put it down because this is a lot. I don't know if I want to show. Okay, good. I don't know, I don't like this angle, whatever. Well, let's see what else do I get. Okay, good. It comes with this. This is really important. You dip it in the ranch. And then, what the fuck else did they give me? Oh, they put my name, but I actually wanted it to say Ugly Dumb One, but it's okay because then they gave me a cute little picture. They give you a cute little picture of it coming to your door, so I love that. And then what else do they do? They give you a cute link in case you want to link it. So that's cute. Where's the stupid link? It says you've got a gift, and then it says, and then I miss my Honda Girl Society. Where did it go? And then okay, whatever, it doesn't matter, because I miss my Aunt Honda Girl Society, and my sister's been crying for 11 days. Or I've been crying for my sister for 11 days. For her, she's in the hospital, whatever, blah, blah, blah. And then it shows a map. So that's good. And then what else? It shows what you get and like your address and everything. So that's good. And then what the fuck else? So basically, I'm queen of the Shell gas station at this point. Let me see. Let's see. I miss my hair. I used to have really long hair. I miss my blue car. I think I'm done with this. I'm just gonna put it aside. Then what else? Okay, so basically when you eat, and this is why I call myself Ugly Dumb One, because when you eat you have to be really extra stupid and you have to wear gloves. Okay, and you have to have tattoos. So then I have Alliance and Horde, so like, yeah. Basically what you do is you go like this, and this is how you eat. You have to be really stupid when you eat. So this is the root beer float. I don't know. And then, so this is basically ice cream with soda. It's really fucking good. And then, let's see what else. I think they forgot this. Okay. Okay. My quesadillas. Okay. This is what I've been waiting for. The quesadillas, I'm gonna go ahead and heat them up because that's really what I wanted. And then they give me, let's see. Okay, this is just amount of ranch so I don't get fat. That's perfect. And then that's good. The applesauce. Good thing I have my own spoon somewhere here somewhere. They give me like 10,000 napkins. Thank you. I love that. Just in case. You never know. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and heat this up. I have my own fucking McDonald's in this room. Good, it fits perfectly. So while that heats up, I'm just gonna go ahead and be ugly and stupid and play with my phone. Okay. I want to turn on my heater too, because why the fuck not? Because it's cold. So basically, in my head, I'm the queen of the Shell gas station. Because I love driving. Let's see, I'm wearing stupid black earrings and some stupid nose piercing here. What else am I doing with myself? I have this stupid book here. I call it my ugly book. See, I put things in it. I highlight things. I do things in here. I put some notes just in case you feel sad. It reminds you that the internet is still here. What else? What the fuck else do I do? I put some random things here. These are just my notes. They're really important. This, in case you're like feeling really sad, it shows you pictures of things, so that's really nice. This is just like another note. Me being stupid and crying about things. Oh my god, I'm just so sad about it. It's okay because my mom gave me an iPhone, so I'm good. So far we're at 5 minutes and 37 seconds. Yeah, I made this book really random and stupid, so then I put some more things for you to read in case you want some prayers. It says prayers for a long, oh my god, I'm gonna burn my food. So at this point, let me see. Oh my god, I burned it. Okay, so let me just put this in. Oh fuck. I spilled it. It's okay. Let's go ahead and take this off. It's okay because I have a lot of gloves. It says third party, so that's nice. I'm third place, I guess. Okay, what the fuck else do we do? So now my life is ruined. I spilled chicken on the bed. My life is over. What can I do? Let's see, if you're really bored, there's 311, 211, 511, 611, 711. Those are numbers you can call. There's also 866 numbers. What the fuck else is there? Yeah. At this point, I used to have 707. Now I don't have 707 anymore. Now I'm team 818, I guess. We have other people in the team 805s. Okay, it's okay. So, let's see, I got hairs in it already. Okay, this is my favorite part. The quesadilla. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so oily. I can't with the gloves. I'm just gonna eat normal. Thank God we have sinks and we can wash our hands. This is so good. And it shows you a picture of an apple. That's so sweet. And then this, I think this is gonna go good with the chicken. Thank you for the straw. Make sure you have face coverings when you go out, because right now it's COVID-19 times. What else the fuck? Let's see. Okay, not bad. It's watered down a little bit. It's mostly soda at this point. AKA root beer. So this is really good. I'm gonna go ahead and save this. This is basically the dessert. And this is also dessert. This, I would count it as an appetizer. And this I would also count as an appetizer. So yeah, I'm really excited. This is really good. Let me go ahead and grab the chicken. Oh, that's right. I was gonna use the gloves when I eat the chicken. That way, like, it'll be a little bit easier to eat it. What else? Okay, let's see. This is a lot of food. I definitely have to save this and put it in the freezer. Or something. I don't know. Okay. Let me just show the food before I eat. Okay. Mukbang. This is a lot. This is a lot of food. This is like enough food for like, I want to say 2 people. So I don't know if I'm gonna, I think the food, I think I'll show the food because the food is like, this is the good part right here, is the food. So if you're really bored, there's a funny YouTuber named Chelsea Lynn. My favorite is like when they, if you search, I think like destroy smart car. That one's really funny. I don't know the name of the YouTuber, but it's really really funny. Let's see. What other mukbangers do I know? I think Michelle So. She's really good. I have my own hot sauce too. They're very important. My sauces are really important to me. This is the fire noodle sauce. This is the Valentine hot sauce. My favorite. Okay, what else? Okay, let's go ahead and put this on fan mode. So basically, once I start eating the chicken, I can't touch anything anymore. So I'm gonna be really careful. Let me see how. I'm just gonna use this hand to eat, I think. We're gonna go. I'm going for it, guys. This is so good looking. This is really good. Thank God. So I have my own hot sauce. So update on life. I've been working on cars. I love cars. I love painting. I love artwork. I love media. Influencers. So apparently rent is canceled, so that's cool. This is from a car accident. Don't ask me about this. I'll start crying. This I think is really cute. See, when I think of this restaurant, it brings me good memories of me and my friends. So that makes me really happy. And then the celery. I'm gonna get it with this. So update. I'm pretty much permanently banned from RuneScape at this point. So no more RuneScape for me. What else? I think they're missing the buffalo sauce on this. I'm just making sure it's not seeping through. This is so, look at all this food. This is a lot. Thank you, DoorDash. If you subscribe, you get $10. You can get the chicken. You can eat the bones too. I don't know. The bones are really good. I think the quesadilla is my favorite. There's just too much food at this point. I don't even know. I ordered food for 2 people and I'm only 1 person. Oh, Diplo's revolution. This will burn your face off. 1 little drop of this, and like you have ramen noodle soup. This is really good. Fire noodle sauce. What else? Looks like my face is disgusting. Good thing they gave me like 10,000 napkins to deal with. Let's see, they gave you like a sheet of napkin. I'm so ugly and disgusting right now. Like, what is this? Ugh. This is ultimately the best part here. So I don't know, do I eat all of it? Or do I save it? So we have, oh yeah, I have Trisha right here for inspiration. This is Trisha Payta. Also, Blonde Sundoll, but like abbreviated. So she's cool. And then what else? Alright, I'm gonna burn my face right now. This is like the best fire noodle sauce in the history of life. You can look up fire noodle challenge, it's the best. This, I don't know, it just reminds you of the dollar store. Or the 99-cent store, or Valentine's Day. There you go. Or VW. Ugh, those fucking VWs and those Hondas, I swear. I love them so much. So, my next project, I'm gonna buy like a cheap used car and paint it pink, but I don't know what brand. So I have the paint. I have the paints. I have everything here. So that's really exciting. I don't know what else. I'm gonna make this napkin nice. Never waste napkins. Never waste resources. Okay, where was I? Okay, let's see. I think that's my husband texting me. Okay, that one. I love you too, homeboy. Smiley face emoji. Okay, perfect. I'm filming myself doing a mukbang. See? Ugh, my hair is disgusting. I used to have like long brown hair. I used to have long blonde hair. Now I'm like this disgusting. Ugh, I'm so ugly. So I'm gonna title this video "Ugly Dumb One." You can always change the titles over time, so it doesn't matter. Let me just, excuse me. Mukbang fails 2021. I think I'm gonna go ahead and kill this quesadilla. Ah. Mukbang ASMR. Ew. Hashtag Team 818. Hashtag Team Fuck your MK7s. What else? Hashtag TFTI. What else? What the fuck ever. Ugh. How ugly and stupid can we be? Let's see. Aw. Great. Now I don't have a car to argue with. I can argue with my phone now. Oh, I'm ugly and I'm gonna be like, I'm ugly and stupid. The title of the video is gonna be Ugly Dumb One Mukbang. Okay, perfect. Updates. Thank you for updating. I don't know if I'm gonna. This food is giving me a headache because it's like too much. It's just too much. I don't know. Do I eat all of it? Do I save it? Do I put it in the refrigerator? Do I let my roommates eat it? I don't know. Do I share it? Do I kill it? And I'm just gonna eat it. My mom would like cut up the chicken into little pieces when we were little and like feed them to us. I thought that was cute. Oh my god, this is way too fucking. I'm gonna be so fat after this. I'm gonna be disgusting. Look, I'm already fat and disgusting. What is this? And make sure you drink your sauce too. You have to be really disgusting when you eat. Okay. Ugh, this is the best right here. This is why I got this. I have more ice cream downstairs. I can go ahead and add more ice cream, but I'm too lazy. It's like, oh, let's order food from an app. Oh, let's complain about it. Oh, the ice cream's melted. It's like, yeah, of course the ice cream is melted. Somebody had to like drive their car and get it. Of course it's gonna be melted. So updates in life. We called the LA Resource program, and they apparently trash containers are free and so are recycling bins. So that's amazing. I'm trying to figure out what. Okay, I don't have a dip for this, so I'm just gonna like. Okay, good. And they put islands on a packaging to remind you to go to the beach. I love that. I love the beach. So updates. I don't have a car, but at least I still have a stupid bicycle, so whatever. Don't have a bike lock either. Okay, so we're done with this box. Thank you for the random box. I don't know. And it says islands to remind you, and then I love it. When it gives you, it says instructions. I love it. Okay, whatever. Who's gonna write something on instructions? Quesadillas. I love it. Instructions. Go to the dollar store and write things on it if you want. Or don't. So بالعربي نقول راح نفلس الدجاج. Means you're gonna like cut up the chicken into little pieces. So I think yeah, this is a lot. This is a lot of them. I don't know. And so we have napkins. And random gloves too. And shells. Don't forget the shells. And sauce. Don't forget the sauce. You have to put sauce on it. Otherwise it's not good. Make sure you have her in the background too to remind you that you're ugly. So, yeah, there you go. Okay. This is a reminder. That's a reminder that I need to buy a car. Because I still don't have one. I'm still ugly and stupid, so. At least I have a driver's license though, so that's good. I'm happy for that. I remember when I was little, I was so scared of driving. Oh my god. Now, I'm literally the best driver in the history of life. Okay. Like, better. Like, my cars are better than Jeffree Star, better than. Better than the Jenners, better than the Kylies, better than all of them. Okay. So, oh my god. I test drove a Mazda Miata. That was fucking amazing. That's what I like. Mazda Miata. Right now, I really want an Acura just because it's an A. And that's like my name. So, but where am I gonna find an Acura? I don't know. What else? What else do I need in life? I really want to learn how to drive a motorcycle. But at the same time, I'm fucking terrified. So, oh my god, all the sauces at the back. I'm already so full. I don't know. I think I'm gonna finish it. I love mukbang videos. And I hate it when they don't finish their food. So I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna eat it. Honey, but actually out of me now, my English is like the most. My English sucks. My Spanish sucks too. Let's see. I miss my family, but good news, my sister finally like unblocked me and I was able to video call her, so that was nice. My sister and my mom and my dad are still driving disgusting Priuses. Ugh. Anyway. My brothers are cool though. They drive Volkswagens. My cousin, I can't remember what she drives. And then, homegirl drives Honda Girl Society. What else? What the fuck? My auntie just got a VW, so that's cool. Yeah, mine. Still waiting. Oh my god, this is too much. 10 pieces of chicken. I won't have to eat for like another week. Like, what am I gonna do with 10 pieces of chicken? This is a lot. I know what to put. My favorite things. History, where were we? Oh, here. Where'd it go? Move your mailbox, no. No. Where is that? Like this one, they crashed the smart car. I like that. That was fucking cute. Now I want to get a smart car. And it tells you that you're smart. Like, how sweet is that? Oh my god, what is this? This chicken. Okay, this chicken is going in the freezer. This is too much. I'm done with it. I have to like wash my hands. Look at this. This is disgusting. That's why they give you like 10,000 napkins. This is going in the freezer. This is going in the recycling. Oh. Good, I don't love it. This is going in my stomach. This is that. Look at this. Oh my god. This is going in the freezer. Direct. And I ruined my bed. My life is ruined now. I'm disgusting. And it's conveniently like you can't close it, right? So, whatever. How many napkins do we need? Like, Jesus. I'm done with this. Oh, here we go. This is what we need. This is what makes you happy. And it comes with an ad. That's how you know it's good. Wait, just wait.
Your bank should have the technology to help you track your spending.
Just wait, just wait.
Digital banking. One way we're helping to make a difference.
Wait. This is what you need. This is what it is. How random and stupid can we be? Only in Kazakhstan. I'm so fat and disgusting. What is this? Ugh. Show this. This is a good shit right here. So now that I've eaten, I need a car. Pop up and down headlights. Pop up and down headlights. Kill yourself. Yeah, I test drove a Honda Civic once. It was a Honda Civic Sport, Nissan LE, Altima, and I hated it. And now it exists right here. She doesn't exist anymore. Bye. We're just gonna let it get to exactly 40 minutes so I have something to complain about. Auto parts.
Pop-up headlights. They're one of the cool...
Pop up and down headlight.